Yo, do you think that more people could have joined your program in that last event or workshop that you did, right? They seemed very excited, ready, they were super engaged, but the numbers were lower than you expected, right? The conversions were pretty low. Let me ask you this question. Do you ever wonder why do people ghost you? Be it in your DMs or in your calls, they seem super ready, there's a great conversation going on. Suddenly you're like, this person is so aligned and I love working with her, I'd love to get them inside my program, get them this transformation, and suddenly they just ghost you and you don't know why, what happened, right? Does that ever happen to you? Even though you may have so many clients you're already working with, you may have your client testimonials, but they still ghost you and you've never really ever figured out what is the real reason behind it. Has that ever happened to you before? It's happened to me before many times, until I kind of broke it all down and I kind of figured out what was really going on. Okay, so the reason is pretty simple, it's pretty obvious. You did not do the indoctrination work that was required before making that offer. You did not do it well enough to turn them into your die-hard fans and get ready and reaching out to you to want to work together with you. You see? What's going on, my friends? This is Imani Jain. I'm the founder of the persuasive sales methodology. They call me the sales queen for coaches, and I help bring in more aligned clients way faster. I help growing and scaling businesses, coaching businesses specifically, without getting salesy, pushy, and all that kind of funny stuff that people keep talking about. So if you answered yes to any of those things that I just mentioned about, you absolutely need to attend my upcoming workshop. It's called the DM Profit Formula Workshop, designed for coaches by myself. I'm the coach, who are ready to grow their clientele, scale their businesses without going crazy, while adding a structure and system to their client conversion process, which pretty much is missing in all our businesses. So my belief in this industry is that the ability to communicate your value to your potential clients in a way that it was originally intended to be is the key to getting your best clients. People always want to connect with people, right? It builds leverage into your business. It generates leads. It adds value. It adds connection. And you get to pitch without pitching. I believe that DM marketing and rapport building, they are an evergreen opportunity for online entrepreneurs to grow your business the fastest. So this is what we're going to cover inside this absolutely awesome workshop, guys. How to always start the conversation on the right foot while establishing yourself as the expert. Very important. How to grab their attention right since day one, which we don't do. How many messages are really enough to get people really warmed up to you? How to leverage the power of personalized messaging to get your people to actually go ahead and watch those power videos, that content of yours that is sitting ducks inside, I don't know where, your guides, your pages, wherever. What are the different kind of messaging sequences that are a must for you to send out both during your workshops as well as in between your workshops? And how do you build that deep rapport with your people so that they start trusting you instantly? Very important. And how to build a process of disqualifying those people who are not a good fit. We don't want to sit and waste our time, energy, money, resources in nurturing them, knowing that they're not going to buy from us. They're not ready as yet. Maybe they're freebie seekers. Doesn't make sense. So there's a whole process to it. There's a whole system to it. And most importantly, how to not only start signing up 2 times, 3 times the number of clients while doing the same amount of work, but the key here is fast, speed, while reducing the what I call as the nurturing cycle, which means the time that it takes from them to come into your world when they click on that first button to get to know you, to then becoming your paid clients. That time span, that duration needs to come down. Otherwise, you just keep chasing them, you keep running after them, you keep saying things to them, you keep sending stuff their way. We don't want to keep doing that. We want to quickly qualify the best ones, quickly find the most aligned ones, and only talk to, build a very deep connection, go deep down, bring them into our world and ascend them, move them. It's like a train journey. You get them to onboard a train and get them to move into the next compartment, till the time they become your paid client. And we want to shorten that journey to the maximum possible. And we use DMs, personalized DMs as the best leveraging tool to do that the smartest. Okay? This is the only way, in my experience, that you'll be able to grow your clientele and serve those people who are waiting for you to show up in their world in a meaningful way, right? Sounds good to you? Do you like the sound of that? So this workshop, DM Profit Formula, is exactly that. And I'd like to invite you to join in ASAP. Just beneath this video, there's a link for you to go ahead, click on and sign up and get registered. In addition to that, we're going to have a very, very awesome, powerful Q&A session. I'm sure you guys might have some questions about how does this technique work, what are the different things involved. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be there to support you every step of the way. Okay. I also want to touch upon why cold DMing is a complete fad, and why this terminology was actually coined in the first place to keep all of us stuck, just to extract top dollars from us. Seriously. I'm going to talk a little bit about it. Very, very important. We don't want to stay stuck, do you? I broke out of it. So the 3-step DM strategy is not really a strategy. It's the holy grail of client getting itself. It's a sequence of steps that bring in the sale closer and faster, and while removing those objections 100%. That's the key. No objections. So I'm going to be walking you through each step of this process so that you will walk away with a cheat sheet for your next upcoming events, all your upcoming workshops, conversion events, so that you walk away like a winner, like a true leader. That's what I want for you. The number of spots for this workshop are capped because I want to make sure that I can spend some personalized time with all of you, getting to know you, having my eyes on your business, and possibly help you come up with your own customized strategy going forward. It's going to be a lot of fun, okay? Oh, and there's going to be a bonus surprise training stack, which will be sent out to you. You just have to comment the word bonus in my DMs as soon as you've signed up. So go ahead and sign up. Right underneath this video, there's the link. This is a must-attend event, guys, for all coaches with a powerful message to share with the world. No matter if you are at 5K, 150K months, it doesn't matter, it'll work, it's beautiful. There will be replays. If you can't attend for some reason, you still need to register to get access to the replay. But when you register right now beneath this video, we will instantly send you a Zoom link to meet us next Wednesday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. DM communication is the most powerful yet underutilized profit lever that always lands highest ticket, most aligned clients. Let's change that for you in this 2-hour workshop next week. You don't want to miss out on this, and I can't wait to see you on the other side. Take care of yourself. Ciao.